isang malaking karangalan po na makasama namin dito sa Showbiz Linggo. First time, di ba? Ang dating munting tinig na naririnig na ngayon sa buong mundo, mga kaibigan.
Live in person, Miss Lea Salonga!
Magandang hapon. Di ba?
Wow!
Ikaw naman pala sa'yo, ha? Magandang hapon sa'yo,
Magandang
Lea.
hapon din sa inyo. Magandang hapon po sa mga nanonood ng Showbiz Linggo.
Maraming salamat,
Okay.
Lea.
I'll go first.
Go first.
Yes. Lea, during the recently concluded Miss Universe pageant, people were expecting that you would be doing a duet with Tibo Bryson. Pero ang nangyari, si Dayanara Torres, yung Miss Universe 93, ang naging kaduet niya. Tinanggihan mo ba yung project?
Well, let's put it this way. I wanted to perform, and I was asked to judge, but a lot of things na nangyari, like schedules not coinciding. So in other words, I was not able to come home for it. You know, as much as would have wanted to. Sayang yun eh. It would have been fun.
Pero kasi Lea, may lumabas na balita na kaya mo raw tinanggihan yon. Eh dahil maikli lang daw yung part na kakantahin mo. How to?
Well, and it really doesn't matter eh. Kasi, you know, if I was asked to perform, it would have been great also. But siguro maging out of place kasi babae ako.
Okay.
And with no other Miss Universe candidates, baka I would feel uncomfortable din eh.
Okay. Dito po siya ako na magtatanong dahil...
Okay.
Sige, magtanong ka na. Teka muna. Mag-positioning na muna ako dito.
Kasi Lea, di ba, alam naman ng lahat na ikaw ay naging inspirasyon noon ni Aga Mulak. Niligawan niya ni Aga, di ba? Nung magkita uli kayo ni Aga, ngayon nagbalik ka dito at nag-lunch date pa raw kayo, anong naramdaman mo?
Intriga niya lang. Kapabalik ko lang sa Pilipinas.
Balik mo dito, wala kayo ni intriga.
Hindi, kaya Aga Mulak, we're really a couple of good friends and I'm not just saying that. Kasi sinasabihan ko na yan na huwag niya akong ligawan kahit kailan.
Mula noon?
Mula noon pa, sinabi ko na sa huwag mo na akong ligawan kasi if we're ever gonna work together again, mahirap na. Kunyari kung magka-ano kayo, tapos mag-break kayo, ilang na yon.
Tumigil ba naman?
Ha?
Tumigil ba naman?
Ano?
Tumigil ba siya?
What do you mean?
Hindi ka naniligawan?
Oh, hindi niya ako liligawan. He won't try. I don't think so.
Sana nga, di ba?
Hindi naman siguro palagay ko.
Okay.
Hindi ka namin si Aga, okay lang.
Okay.
Bagong dating yun eh. Balita namin sa July 16, meron kang malaking concert. Ano yung mga preparations na ginagawa mo for this?
Well, it's going to be at the Hollywood Bowl in Los Angeles. But before that, there's also Frank Sinatra muna, no? June 28, 29, 30, July 1. And then after that, I have to go back to the States, to LA, for a concert called Arabian Nights at the Hollywood Bowl on July 16. So preparations, I just have to study my songs and rehearse when I get back.
Ayun, total binanggit mo na rin lang yung mga songs mo. Napaka-successful ng mga albums mo abroad. Yung ba, ang planong bali, mag-concentrate na lang sa paggawa ng, sa recording mo?
Not necessarily, no. Kasi I also like doing stage plays. So, for me, talaga first love ko yun eh. Na
First
nagbubuka
love.
talaga ng stage play. So, I'd like to do maybe another one this year or next year.
Okay.
But recording is also a priority for me.
Okay. Dito po, sisingit lang ako.
Okay.
Yung Small Voice, pwede bang pakikanta mo isang linya kung saan ka nakilala, Lea? Small Voice, isang
Small
linya
voice.
lang.
I am but a small voice.
Yung pa rin eh, no?
Ayun.
Yung pa rin
Hindi
talaga,
nagbabago
hindi
eh.
nagbabago, napakaganda pa rin. Kita
Hindi
niyo,
na
Lea?
huli-huli.
Oo.
Pero gagawa ka ba ng pelikula dito sa Pilipinas?
While I'm in the Philippines on this stay, kasi marami akong gagawin, especially preparations for the coming concerts of Frank Sinatra, it looks like hindi ako makagawa ng pelikula. Maybe the next time I come back or while I'm in the States, I don't know. Pero sa pagbibisita ko dito, for this visit, I won't be able to.
Hindi mo lang alam, Lea, kung gano'ng ka-proud ng mga Pilipinos dahil sa
Salamat
achievements
naman. Thank
mo.
you.
May message ka para sa kanila, Lea?
Well, to everybody who has supported my album, maraming po salamat sa inyo. And if you still don't have a copy, it's under Warner Music Philippines, released under Warner Music Philippines. It just got platinum. So to all those who have supported my album, thank you very, very, very much. And watch the concerts of Mr. Frank Sinatra at the Bogart Theater at the end of this month, June 28, 29, 30, and July 1. And to those who have supported my career, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And I hope you just keep on
Thank you
with
so
them.
much.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Lea Salonga, magpabalik po ang Showbiz Linggo!